Listen up. I have spent 17 years in the HVAC trenches, and before that, I was keeping the lights on as a nuclear power electrician. In my world, reliability is not just a marketing buzzword, it is the only metric that matters. When you look at packaged units, you are taking an entire mechanical room and shoving it into one steel cabinet that sits out in the elements. Today, we are putting two entry-level workhorses head-to-head, the AireForce P95RD and the Allied REPAC 13. Both are 13.4 SEER2 units in the basic category, and I will tell you which one actually earns its keep for your bottom line. Let us start with build quality, which is your first line of defense. The Allied RPAC 13 is built with a louvered coil guard made of solid metal panels with slats protecting the condenser fins. The AireForce P95RD uses a wire guard, which from my years in the field is basically an invitation for hail, stray rocks, or a curious pet to wreck your system. One hit to those aluminium fins and your efficiency drops while your head pressure spikes. Allied takes the win here for physical armor. Moving to the guts, both machines are essentially identical on paper, using R454B refrigerant and providing 13.4 SEER2 efficiency. Neither unit features a variable speed compressor, variable speed condenser fan, variable speed blower, or two-speed compressor technology. From an electrical standpoint, this is a benefit for the budget-conscious homeowner because these single-stage machines are easier to troubleshoot and repair. Any qualified tech with a multimeter can get these back up and running without needing proprietary software or a laptop. There is a slight difference in sound levels with the AireForce at 71 decibels and the Allied at 73 decibels. That gap is minor, but if the unit sits outside a bedroom window, you might notice the AireForce running smoother. Both units are manufactured in the USA, which usually means better build consistency and parts availability when things go south. For a standard 3-ton unit, you can expect the AireForce to retail around $3,600 with installation near $7,800. The Allied RPAC 13 carries a slight premium retailing about $3,800 with an installed price around $8,200. You are essentially paying a 400-pound premium for better cabinet protection and peace of mind. On the warranty front, it is a dead heat with both brands offering a 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty if you register within 60 days. Neither model offers a unit replacement pledge, so if the compressor fails, you are covered for the part but not the labor. The verdict is clear. If I am signing the check, I am picking the Allied RPAC 13. It costs a few $100s more and runs slightly louder, but that louvered coil protection is the difference between a system that lasts 15 years and one that dies an early death. In the HVAC world, a protected coil is a happy coil, so go with the Allied, find a quality installer, and shop like a pro. Use the comparison tools on HVACforbeginners.com to compare other brands.